Click on the link below to get price. The WEN Super Quiet 3800 watt RV-Ready Portable Inverter Generator is an exceptional choice for those seeking a reliable power source for outdoor adventures or emergency backup. With its impressive 3,800 starting watts and 3,400 running watts, it provides ample power to run essential appliances, tools, and even an RV air conditioner, all while maintaining remarkable fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of this generator is its ultra-quiet operation. At only 57 dB, it operates at a volume comparable to a normal conversation, making it suitable for camping trips or tailgating where noise can be a concern. The generator's lightweight design and compact form factor, weighing in at just 95 pounds, make it easy to transport and store. The WEN generator comes equipped with multiple outlets, including two 120V household outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and two USB ports, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. The RV-Ready 120V TT30R outlet allows for easy connection to your recreational vehicle, making it an ideal companion for road trips. The built-in fuel shutoff feature is a great addition, as it helps prevent stale fuel from causing engine problems. This ensures that your generator remains in top condition for years to come. The fuel tank capacity of 2 gallons allows for up to 5 hours of runtime at half load, which is impressive for a generator of this size. Additionally, the WEN Super Quiet generator includes a convenient LED status monitor, which keeps you informed about the generator's performance, including fuel level and wattage output. Overall, this inverter generator strikes an excellent balance between power, portability, and quiet operation. For anyone in need of a dependable and efficient power source for camping, outdoor events, or emergency situations, the WEN Super Quiet 3800 watt portable inverter generator is a top-tier option that won't disappoint. Its blend of features, performance, and affordability makes it a wise investment for power on the go.